Welcome to Notre Dame Catholic School. In this video, you'll learn about our mission, values, curriculum, faith, and more. Thank you for watching and visit NotreDameParish.net for more information. Founded in 1955, we are one of the 5 original Catholic grade schools in LaPorte County, and one of the 3 remaining, with Notre Dame having the highest enrollment of the 3 Catholic elementary schools. We are located at 1000 Moore Road on the north end of Michigan City, nestled on a beautiful 32-acre campus just 1 mile off of the coast of Lake Michigan. Our campus includes outdoor walking trails, a garden, and a chicken coop. As an accredited A-rated school, we are committed to supporting our students to achieve academic excellence. Our state standardized test scores far exceed any private and public school in Michigan City. At Notre Dame Catholic School, we strive to help students see and understand the role of faith in their daily lives and in the larger society. We understand the importance of helping young people develop a deep, spiritual relationship with Christ. We continue to build a school community that reflects gospel values and the spirit of Jesus' love. Our teachers create classroom environments that are conducive to learning. Students attend Mass once a week and on holy days of obligation with distinctive Masses for older and younger students. Our goal is to guide students in becoming mature, responsible Christian leaders. We know that the future of our church will depend upon how we foster the faith of the students we serve. Our classroom environment provides all students with challenging and equitable learning opportunities that exceed state standards. Learning activities are individualized for each student so that they may achieve their highest academic potential. Our Breakouts program brings learners, instructors, and content together with a focus on learning outcomes tailored to each individual learner's needs. Notre Dame Catholic School provides current technology to support our students' academic success. We are committed to creating, enhancing, and implementing plans to develop, maintain, and renew the school's equipment and technology. Each classroom is equipped with 65-inch televisions with Apple TV. Students in grades 2 through 8 have one-to-one technology using iPads. All of these tools assist our faculty in providing the best classroom learning environment. It is a privilege to work with parents in the education of children. Here at Notre Dame, we believe that it is a parent's right and duty to become the primary role model for the development of their child's life, helping to develop them physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and psychologically. Ideals taught in school and church are not well-rooted unless nurtured at home. We are committed to a partnership between home and school as we support one another in helping each child grow. Our Home and School Association runs a hot lunch program with participating local restaurants. Currently, we have lunch offerings from Creekside Inn, Mucho Mas, Royale with Cheese, and Pizza Hut. Every day, students enjoy a healthy, balanced meal from one of our community partners. Athletics is an essential component of faith-based education. We offer a wide range of options for students to participate in, including cross-country, Pee-wee basketball, boys and girls soccer, boys and girls basketball, and golf. We welcome full-time students starting at age 3 by August 1st up to grade 8. One of our goals is to provide Catholic education for every potential student that desires it. We offer a manageable tuition rate with payment options. However, we realize that many families have financial barriers that impede their ability to enroll their children in a private Catholic school. Therefore, tuition assistance and scholarships are available for qualified families based on their financial need. Please refer to our website for our tuition and fee schedule as well as scholarship information. We offer multi-child scholarships for our registered parishioner families, diocesan assistance through facts-based management for Catholic families in grades K through 12, SGO awards, and Indiana Choice scholarships. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Notre Dame Catholic School, please visit NotreDameParish.net or call 219-872-6216.